I'm Mishika, and today we will learn break and continue in Python. So break and continue are keywords. Now first let's understand what is break. Now break is a keyword which stops the loop. Now let me tell you an example. Now you have a list of numbers, and if you want to search a number like 12, so if you got the number, so there is no mean to go ahead. Yeah? So for stopping the program, we use the word break. So let's make a program. Open a Python and open a new file. Now, now the program is that we will search a number. It will ask first that which number do you want to search. We will tell the number, we'll type a number, and then it will tell us that if the number is in the list or not. If it is in the list, it will print found, and if it is not in the list, it will print not found. Okay, so first we'll make a list. Okay, so like 2, 4, 6, 3, 4 are in the list. Okay, so there are 2, 4, no problem. Okay, now we will take one more variable and then write integer input. Okay, over here we'll make now we'll write which number you want to search. So it will search a number. Okay, now what is the meaning of this? First input will ask us that which number you want to search. Then the number that will put, it will convert into integer and then store it in the variable y. Okay, now we will write flag. Flag is a variable. Okay, in that flag we will write false. Remember that when in the Python, you always write false and true's first letter in capital. Okay, or else it will tell you an error. Now you will write for I in X colon. Okay, now it will tell you if I is equals to y, means if the I value is same as y value. Okay, if it is, so the flag will turn into true. Okay, and then it will break. Okay, and if it is not, the flag will be in false and it will not break the loop. So what happens over here is, it is an iteration. What happens is I changes, I has the ix value. Now it will have the first number in the I will be 2. Now for example, if we have 4 in y, so it will just compare that is I means is 2 same as 4? No. So the flag will be in false and it will go up, means it will go in the next iteration. Then it will compare, is I and 4, is I and y same? Yeah, I is 4 and the y is 4. So flag will turn into true and it will break the loop, means it will not go to the next iteration. Okay, now it is break, it will not go to the next iteration. So what it will do, it will, now we will have this. Now if flag equals to true, if flag is true, so colon. So we have to print. What do we have to print? We have to print that the number is found. We have to print found. Else, if the number is not found, so what will we print? We will print that the number is not found. We will print not found. Okay? Program is done. Now let's save it. For saving it, you can do. Click on File menu and click on Save. Open a folder in which you want to save and then write a name for it. Like I'm writing class and objects. Search program. Now let's give a number for it, like 2. Okay, now let's write search program. Okay, then give a number like 2. Now let's click on save. My file has been saved. Now let's run it. For running it, click on run menu and click on run module or press the F key on your keyboard. Run it. It is asking me which number you want to search. I will tell like I want to search 3. Enter. I will press 3. So it is saying that yeah, 3 is in the list. Yeah, it is. Now let's again do. It is asking me which number you want to search. Let's search 5. It is saying not found. There is no 5 number in our list. Okay. So this was for break. Now let's seek for continue. So the program for our continue will be that we will have a list. We can take the same list. Okay, and then what will it do? That we will, so that it will print the numbers that are not divisible by 2. Okay, we will make this program. So for making this, before making this program, we can take another file, new file, or we can just delete this and write in this only. I've deleted. Now let's make it. Now we'll write for I in range. Sorry, for I in X. Okay, then colon. Okay. Now we will write if statement. So if I is divisible by 2 means the remainder comes as 0 colon. Then we have to, so what we have to do, we have to continue. Okay, means what will it do? Means not execute the further statement in the loop and jump to the next iteration of loop. Okay, so it will not execute this further statements. It will not execute this further statements in the loop. In the loop, it will not execute the further statements and then jump to the next iteration of loop. It will jump to the next iteration of the loop. Okay. Then after this, we have to print here that print I. If we will not write print I, so it will process the loop, but it will not print it. Now let's save. Now let's run it. Okay, it's saying me that rest 3 doesn't comes in 2's table. Rest all of the numbers comes. Okay, now if you want to change a number over here, like if you want to put, if you want to put 4. Now let's see. Let's run it. It's saying that 2, 6 and 3 doesn't come in 4's table. Okay. So, thank you friends for watching my video, and if you like, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, we'll meet next time. Bye and thank you. Bye.